Imagine getting an extra 10 hours every week without working harder. Sounds impossible? Well, with AI tools in 2026, it's actually easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI tools that can automate your work, boost productivity, and give you your time back. Let's jump in. Number 5, Notion AI. If you already use Notion, this tool is a game changer. It can write notes, summarize meetings, generate content, and even organize your tasks automatically. You can literally turn messy ideas into structured documents in seconds. Number 4, Grammarly AI. This isn't just a grammar checker anymore. It can rewrite emails, adjust tone, and make your writing sound professional instantly. No more wasting time rewriting messages again and again. Number 3, ChatGPT. This is like having a personal assistant available 24/7. You can use it for writing content, coding, brainstorming ideas, or even learning new skills. Instead of searching for hours, just ask and get instant answers. Number 2, Pictory AI. This tool turns text into videos automatically. You can create YouTube videos, reels, or ads without editing skills. Just paste your script, and it generates visuals, voice, and subtitles. And number 1, Zapier AI. This is where real automation happens. It connects your apps and automates repetitive tasks. For example, when you receive an email, it can save data, send reply, update your CRM automatically. Let's quickly recap. Notion AI for organization, Grammarly for writing, ChatGPT for everything, Pictory for videos, Zapier for automation. If you use these tools smartly, saving 10+ hours every week is absolutely possible. Which tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.